So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest job opportunities, career tips, and everything you need to know for the future updates. So, are you looking to kickstart your tech career with a global giant? So, listen up because Siemens is hiring for software engineers in Noida. So, whether you are a fresher or have up to 2 years of experience, this could be your breakthrough opportunity. So, grab your resume and stay till then to know how to apply, what skills they are looking for, and how you can stand out from others. And don't forget to like this video, tap the subscribe button, and ring the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload our new video. Because we are bringing three important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. So now let's dive into the job details. So as you can see on your screen, the job is of a software engineer, and it's based out of Noida, which is in Uttar Pradesh locations, and it's a full-time hybrid opportunity. So let's understand a little bit about the company Siemens. So Siemens is one of the world's most respected tech companies, and they are currently hiring for the role of software engineer in their digital industries division based out of Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. So let's dive into more about the details and the responsibilities and other stuff. So, as a software engineer at Siemens, you'll be working on cutting edge technologies in power analysis, optimizations, and digital transformations. So, let's understand the roles and responsibilities for this role. So, okay, yeah. So, as a software engineer at Siemens, your roles and responsibilities is going to be something like designing, developing, and maintaining advanced software features, working with HDL language and low power methodologies, collaborating with application engineers and product validation teams, solving real world problems with global clients in digital industries. Also, other stuff like collaborating with cross-functional teams as well. So how you can apply? So for this, it's a very easy process as we always do, right? We have mentioned a direct link for this particular job. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible before it get expires. So qualifications under required for this particular role. Before going to apply, don't just be hurry and go to apply. Just check everything like required skill sets. So the required skill set for this particular role is going to be something like uh, you must be a bachelor degree first for being eligible for this particular role, and up to 2 years of experience, 0 2 years of experience required. Even if you are a fresher, you are considered and welcomed as well. And bonus skills that I mentioned is proficiency in CPP or CPP, basically C++ programming language. I use it as CPP. And data structure and algorithm, of course. DSA is very important for any ST role. So you should be good at DSA, at least basic concepts like arrays, stack, queues, linked lists, and all that stuff. You might not be that great at graph, okay, fine. But at least you should have some basic understanding of DSA, at least some programming experience. At least you should be able to write some codes, and yeah, exposure to UPF, CPF, scripting languages, and version control tools. If you have these skills, you'll begin preferences like version control, Git, Docker, all these kind of stuff. So again, freshers from top engineering institutes are highly encouraged to apply. So if your college is like top two or top tier two, tier three, or tier three also, you guys they will consider if you have a good project and good profile. So it's not like they won't consider tier three. And yes, this was all about this opportunity. So why want to join Siemens? So basically, you will get to work at Siemens. Basically, working at Siemens, means building the future today. You will be, working on projects that impact cities and industries, learning from the industry leaders, collaborating with global teams, and enjoying an inclusive, diverse workplace. So these are some of the benefits you will get once you join Siemens. So if you are passionate about, the software innovations and solving global challenges, then this is where your career begins. So how you can apply? Just go for the link in descriptions that we have mentioned, as I already told before, right? And apply because we have mentioned direct link, so you don't have to go here and there, like already know. So, and yes, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. Apply as soon as possible, I would say, because this type of jobs might close soon. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubt or any questions related to a job or any other information you need. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more job alerts, because we are bringing three important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. And turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notification once we upload a new important hiring. So yeah, that's all for this today's video. I wish you all the best with your application. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.